this episode, I hit a hammer, I do some welding, then a truck drives away. Welcome back to Welder's Journey. On this episode, we have that broken fifth wheel to fix before 9 o'clock, he said, so let's do our best. These trucks are running every day and they need it, so let's do our best, get this thing going. In the shop. I think that should do it. First thing I wanted to do was close the gap the best I can. So I'm gonna start off by heating it up and then see how I can bend it inwards. Maybe use a BFH. Will it be enough? It's not budging. Nope, on to plan B. Hooked a chain block to it, putting some pressure, and I'm heating it as I go along. It moved a few millimeters at best. I did the best I can in the time I had, so time to fill weld it. Running some beads on each side, starting by the inner side and then moving to the outer side. Keep running beads until I fill the whole thing. This was the first pass. I'm just gonna keep repeating this process. just turned 9 o'clock and I just got done with this side. It's pretty much done over here, but I noticed a small crack on the other side of the fifth wheel. So what I'm gonna do is grind it out and fill it out real quick. If you want to join me on my welding journey, please hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more videos on the way, and it just turned 9:25. I got this job done on both sides.